Hey guys, Mobile Geezer, and I just wanted to make a quick video about the upcoming Huawei Mate XT, the world's very first tri-fold phone. So Huawei has an event coming up on Tuesday, the day after Apple's event, and there's a lot of articles out there saying that they specifically are trying to take some shine off Apple and get it to themselves. So they're supposed to introduce this Huawei Mate XT, and of course, it being the very first tri-folding phone, this will kind of be a big deal, assuming that it works as advertised. Now, of course, it is Huawei, so it's not going to be able to be advertised or sold in the US, but I guess you can import it. And right now, nobody knows what it's going to cost, but I did see some speculations around 2,300 bucks, something like that. So I wouldn't be getting it anyway, whether or not I had to import it. So let's take a look at this article that I found on a site called HuaweiCentral.com. And I guess they cover Huawei the way others cover Samsung and Apple. So let me show you the article.
Let's do this!
So as I said, it's HuaweiCentral.com. Huawei opens Mate XT Ultimate Design Tri-Fold Reservation. So just yesterday, they opened up reservations for people who want to reserve this even before they announce it on Tuesday. So we'll go through this article very quickly. It's written by Emiko Matsui. So let's drop it into reader view. Huawei is now allowing customers to lock Mate XT Ultimate Design Tri-Fold ahead of its official unveiling via reservations. Alongside pre-booking, the company has also revealed the complete look of the world's first triple foldable smartphone. And we'll drop it out of reader view. Make sure you guys have a pretty good look at this thing. So that's what it looks like. I like the look of it, but of course it depends on how it performs. According to the details, the Mate X reservations are open on the official Huawei Mall. Of course, we don't have that in America. I guess that's in China. And of course, it's going to debut in China first, and then I guess we'll see releases in other places. Mate XT Ultimate Design reservations are open till September 19th at 8:59. The company will initiate the sales activity on the same day at 19:08. In these 12 days, customers can pre-book the triple foldable phone without paying any deposit. That's good. So, of course, it's in Chinese, but we do have a translation. With innovation, pay tribute to extraordinary. The reservation opens at 12:08 on September 7th, which, of course, was yesterday. The reservation activity ensures a slot to purchase a flagship device after its launch. Consumers who want to indulge in the first sale should reserve a unit for prioritized delivery and other benefits. Tap on the link below to reserve the device in advance. Note that the price details of the device are still unknown. Probably the company will disclose this secret at the September 10th launch event. The device will come in two colors, golden and dark black, with storage models 16 gigabytes plus 512 gigabytes and 16 gigabytes plus 1 terabyte. Mate XT design. The triple foldable phone pre-order poster shows a Z-shaped form factor. It uses a reddish-brown plain leather on the back panel with golden sides all around. There is a small hexagonal tag on the back that reads designed and certified by Huawei. Speaking of the camera module, it shows 4 lens voids with LED flash in the middle, placed vertically. The octagonal optical structure is further covered with a thick golden rim exhibiting a premium outlook. The phone appears quite slim and sleek. Huawei Mate XT Ultimate Design will surely bring a new experience for consumers. There could be new technologies, AI capabilities, smart camera features, and more. A Kirin 5G chip will ensure efficient performance with improved reliability. The large and thin design will enable users to turn the phone into a regular as well as a tablet or mini PC at their convenience. More features about the device will come to light on September 10th. Stay tuned. So just wanted to let you guys know that it's debuting on September 10th, the day after Apple's event. And it seems like Huawei's making kind of a big deal about it. I guess we can probably watch the event on YouTube. And once it comes out and we know the price, those who can afford it, I guess you can feel free to import it, but you know it's not going to be sold in America. So as always, comments are welcome. Thanks for watching. And remember, if you like my content, please share the videos with friends, family, or whomever you think might be interested. Subscribe if you haven't already done so, and be sure to click the notification bell so you don't miss any future videos that I upload. And please hit the thumbs up, as it does help with the algorithm.
So there's one other thing.
We all do better when we love each other.